Hi. Today in Srirangam Mami's kitchen, I am going to do milk payasam or Paal Payasam with rice.
Okay.
With rice. I will tell you today is Friday, no? And that is Aadi Masam in Tamil. Ashaada Masam in Telugu. But same is Aadi in English also.
Okay.
If you know Aadi means Tamil also Aadi. So in Telugu it is Ashaada Masam. It is very important for us. Very precious days for us. This Aadi Masam.
This full month.
This full month, Fridays is very special for us.
Okay.
Actually we'll go to temples everywhere. But now because of lockdown, nothing we can do.
Yes.
So we will do this one week, one Friday we do one thing.
Okay.
So this time I am going to do first Friday, no? I am going to do Paal Payasam, that is milk payasam, cooked only with milk.
Okay.
You have to clean the rice and cook fully with, for 1 tumbler. I will show the measurements.
Okay, let's look at the ingredients.
Milk,
Okay.
cashew nuts, this is broken rice. That is, you have to fry the rice and just one round you have to break it.
But this we have to roast in ghee.
Yeah, roast in ghee. Everything only ghee. Nicely brown color. The smell, all of them know how to roast it. Roast it and just one round it will come like this. See.
So it's going to look like this.
See like this.
Okay.
Broken rice. Can you see?
Yes.
Broken rice. Then as usual cardamom powder or yelaka. Ghee to roast. Already I have roasted ghee. And sugar. I have taken 1 tumbler of rice. This measurement.
This one you have taken 1 glass of rice.
And broken it. And this one for 1.5 I have put sugar.
For 1 glass rice, 1.5 glass sugar.
If you don't want much sweet, but you can put 1 1/4 also.
Okay.
But for us, milk payasam is it's nice. It will be
Sweet.
with milk. If you make it, be nice only. So I have put 1.5.
Okay.
It is according to your wish to reduce or more also you can put.
As per our
As per
sweetness.
your sweet. According to me, I put 1 to 1.5.
Okay.
Now I will tell you how to make it.
Okay.
Now first, see here.
So we've already cooked the
it. See,
rice.
this broken rice I told you, no?
Yes.
I already roasted. See the brown color also you can see the rice
Yes,
is here.
yes.
I have broken 1 or 2. That is called as broken rice.
Okay.
Then only you cook nicely.
Okay.
Then I have full with milk. For 1 tumbler rice, I took 3 tumblers milk.
So this 1 glass of rice and
Whatever
3
glass you
glasses
take,
of milk.
Whatever glass you take.
Whatever proportion we take.
3 tumblers milk.
Okay.
Milk. If you have milk, keep it remaining. I kept this milk remaining.
Okay. Okay.
One you can pour afterwards.
Okay.
But this is cooked only in milk. We have
Okay.
to clean the rice with water and should not put even little water. Only in milk it should be cooked. See, if it is cooked in milk, see the color.
So how many whistles did you give in the
I gave
cooker?
some 9 to 10 whistles.
9 to 10 whistles.
Then only
Okay.
it will become nice.
Nicely smashed, correct.
Nicely smashed. And when it is hot, you have to smash it. I just cooked it. If it is become cold, you cannot smash.
Okay. Okay.
Suppose you forgot to smash, what you can do? Take a mixie. That I'll tell you this idea, tips. Just give a round, 1 round.
Oh, okay.
Mixie.
Correct.
That also
correct.
you can do.
Acha,
For
acha.
me, I smashed it when it is hot.
Hot.
Suppose you forgot with the children, the children, they forgot to smash it, got cold means, you just put in the mixie. Just 1 round. It will
That's
get
enough.
smashed nicely. That
Okay.
also you can do.
So this washing of rice, first we should wash the rice, then we should roast it.
No. First you have to roast it with ghee and then wash it. Little ghee will be wasted only. But the taste will be when you roast and wash only.
Okay.
After
Okay.
washing, you cannot roast it. It will not be nice.
Because I was always confused about this. Or even when we make arisi upma, how do we do it?
Pongal, everything we have to roast. Maximum if you roast and make, even for Pongal, when Pongal we make, Chakra Pongal, Pongal, if you roast and make, the taste will be different.
After
Completely.
roasting only you
have
should?
to clean, again you have to cook it.
Okay.
Now I roasted first, then
Okay.
broke it.
Then you washed it.
And I washed it. I put only milk.
Okay. Got
Now I
it.
have cooked it. Now we can make everything is ready. Now I'll put this rice cooked with milk. Okay, can you see the color now? Because
Yes.
it is cooked with milk. How
Yes.
white it is.
It's like golden.
Golden color.
Okay,
White.
golden.
See, can you see the under it also how white it is.
Yes.
It is with milk. You can give for children this one. You make on this Friday. Today Friday I'm making. And so you can also make on this Friday and get the blessings of God. Amma for Amma means for goddess it is very important.
So this is like, suppose if today morning we are featuring this video, probably in the evening hours also they can make it, like around 4 o'clock, 4:30.
Any time the goddess will take our dish at any time. But we have to do with full heart. That is. See, not enough sugar I am putting everything. Okay. Okay. Here is very easy process. It is very easy process to do. First mix it. Then this cardamom powder.
Okay.
Cardamom powder. This cardamom powder, what I will do is, I will buy it in the shop, 100 grams, 200 grams, a lot.
Okay.
What I will do in simple frying pan, without no oil, only empty frying pan, make it heat, and just roast it for 2 to 3 minutes, all the cardamoms.
Okay.
And then after it is cooled down, you mix it, do it in the mixie, it will become very like this.
So all of them we can use it for any, because I see that we are using a lot of cardamom for sweet dishes.
If you do bake it and keep for whenever you want, you can use it.
Okay.
Even when you all make for North Indian dishes, they make one in mutton masala, you need
correct.
you put this one mix of salt. The skin will not be wasted.
Okay.
Skin also has value in that. So that's why we are
mixing.
some of them will throw the skin of that cardamom.
Yeah.
Skin also has the value. So if you make it powder like this, it will be easy for you.
Okay. Then
Now
next
I'll
is
put this cashew nut. I told you now before it's a cashew nut, you should put a little now only. Because if you put everything in one itself,
last.
No one will get for one person every cashew nut will go. So what you do, for put in for giving God, just put little.
Okay.
And keep it aside.
Then while serving, we
While
can
serving,
individually
each
put.
for how many you want to divide, you put it. Now I put this and little ghee. Already there's ghee. Without ghee, we should not do anything. For God, with ghee only we have to do. This remaining milk I kept, no? I pour in this. Here the cardamom, the smell will be there. Wait, waste this.
Okay, in the cardamom.
See how
okay.
much is there, see. The powder. You should not waste anything, best.
Acha, to take the things out from the vessel.
These are all old tradition because in our old days, our life should be very simple only. Very simple life, all the days. No TV, only radio. We have to get together to eat. We all will sit and eat only together. No separate rooms for children. all everything. Like that it was. Life was very happy in those days. Joint family maximum there was. See, I can pour even much. Now I will pour little and cook it.
Okay.
What you have to do, when you put in a hot payasam, how much ever you pour,
it will keep absorbing.
it will be absorbing. So, we'll cook now.
Okay.
Cook now. Just for 10 minutes is enough because it's already cooked now. Immediately keep. Immediately.
Perfect. So this is on.
On. I kept it in the high.
Okay.
Because to show you, I kept it in there. That's why whenever you keep in high flame, be stirring. Be stirring. If you keep in sim, you can do other works. But maximum you have to, because the sugar will be there under, no?
Correct.
Sugar.
Otherwise it will stick down.
It will stick down. The smell will come.
Also I see that you're using these big vessels. Although you're making in little bigger quantity, but still it is very comfortable to cook.
But because they will come out, boil if they come out, no? Even if you cook small one, if you cook it in the big one only, it will not come out.
Yeah, even like
if you
even
small if you keep, no? Everything will come. This is also one tumbler, this is big only.
But it's very comfortable, I understand.
If you put 3 tumblers milk, no? In small, correct, no? All the milk will come inside the cooker itself. With the water it will get mixed. This is this can cook 2 tumblers more than 2.5 tumblers. And for 1 tumbler I took this because 2.5 tumblers milk is there, 3 tumblers. So I took this. All were not wasted. Inside it was.
No, I also get a feeling when we use little bigger vessels, it gives you a feeling of purti.
Yeah. It will not get wasted. It will not get sticky. This is also see big only. But it will not get wasted. See, nicely you can.
Because I'll be using small vessels, but this I don't know. It just feels.
I also use small vessels because gas flame will be saved. But certain things we
should have.
To use.
Correct.
Certain things we have.
There has to be a combination of vessel sizes in your kitchen.
This payasam we can give for children, very nice to do. All milk is there, sugar is there. Like this, Hatara medicine, another one I will tell you in another video. Same thing, like this, with jaggery we can do. This is
I was thinking, how come we didn't use jaggery in it?
Jaggery we do.
There's something called as chakkar pongal which we use with.
Next Friday we can do that.
Okay.
Next Friday, each one Friday. Today Friday I am doing this. Next Friday our Kirtiga is coming. Next Aadi Kirtiga is coming. Amavasa is coming. For Amavasa we can make Moong Dal Payasam.
Okay.
Each and every one we can do. All days. Why in those days they made jaggery means? Those days not much sugar they were taking. They will do only with jaggery because it is good for health. Jaggery is very, very good for health.
Okay.
Now see, can you see because we're cooking with the milk now, can you see the
malai has come
malai on the top of the everything. 2 minutes, 5 minutes, because already everything is cooked. No?
Cooked.
Just for the sugar to come.
Everything to gel together.
Come. We are doing this, that's all.
Okay.
That's all. Over. Now we can serve it hot. If you want afterwards, if it gets thick, that remaining milk, no. We need for 1 tumbler maximum, we can put 4 to 5 liters, 4 to 5
Oh, this is done fully.
It is done fully, that's all. This is
Oh,
Payasam, that's
that was quick.
very quick. If you do it in cooker, no, we have to save gas also these days. That also in those days,
Truly,
everything was
truly,
cheap.
yes.
Everything was cheap. Now the cost of living is too much.
Really.
So you have to, in those days, they'll keep in the stove itself, they'll be cooking.
Correct,
and it'll go
correct.
for 1 hour. But nowadays we can't do this, no time, and also we have to save it.
Really,
Or
we
we can
should.
do it, put in the cooker, cook everything.
Maximum if we use cooker, we'll
Cooker,
save a lot of
yes,
gas.
okay. Because we have to see the economy also, maybe cost of living also, no. You can't tell the children to do members and their gas will be over 10 days itself. That also.
Truly.
Those days is nice food, but those days life is different from these days.
Okay, let's make Meera and Raghav taste.
Today Meera and Raghav children can eat very
Yes,
nice.
Meera has been missing for a few days.
And today Friday, I'm going to give to the girl baby.
Okay.
Today, that Aadi Masam Friday, we give to small girl baby. We'll say Kanya Koinda in Tamil. I'm going to feed her today.
Okay.
And we'll make Meera to eat.
Okay.
Today. Okay. Right?
Okay. So the kids are ready to taste it.
Meera is ready, very eagerly waiting.
Sit like this.
Okay, shall we make her sit?
Okay. She wants to sit and eat. We'll make her to sit and eat today. Today Aadi Ashaada Masam started this day, no? So for the Kutti Papa today.
Kutti Papa's grandmother has given her a
Kanya
dress.
Koinda will tell him, Kanya Koinda I have made for her.
Right? Hey, how is it?
She likes this food, no? She likes this Payasam, I think.
Here you go. How is it, Raghav?
My daughter-in-law
Super
likes this
tasty.
very
It
much.
looks delicious, no?
Very sweet, my favorite.
Really? Yeah, I know. It's your
My
favorite.
daughter-in-law's favorite this is. Anu's favorite. My daughter-in-law Anu's favorite it is. Renee's favorite. I made for her only for this one. She likes this. So she never like anything. But she likes this alone. Paal Payasam alone she likes very much. That too she wants without elaka. Papa is eating nicely. Ashaada Masam first day I have done. So you also do it. And on Friday, on Ashaada Masam on Friday, you can give like this to a small baby family.
Okay.
Small girl baby. It is good for them. Everyone can eat. It is a simple and tasty.
Correct.
With milk. This is I have made with cow milk.
Okay.
It's good for health also. If you don't get no other way. I can use packets.
Okay.
But as I said, must cook only with milk.
Okay.
Then only you get
Okay.
this taste.
Okay, thank you for sharing this recipe with us.
I'll give again. Papa is asking. I'll give
Hi.
her.
Papa,
That's it.
Meera.
Mira, there, see Amma.
Okay.
She wants it. She's seeing that different.
Okay.
She's not seeing the camera. She wants this one. See?
Nice. Okay, we'll meet in the next video.
I need her.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. How is Raga? How is
He's
it?
busy. Please don't disturb him.
He won't talk till he finishes it.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.